see you. Don't let them see you sweat. Don't be crying. Come on. Okay. Why did that trigger you so much, though? Cut it out. Cut it out. I don't like that crying shit.
You do.
I don't like it.
You like more than that, very
I don't like it.
He said, I like it.
I don't like it. I don't like it.
You like women that can be like, oh, you like that.
She's scared. She's scared. Come here.
Come on, let's go. It's okay.
Shut up.
Shut up, because I be the same way.
We're just talking some real shit. Why we can't talk real shit?
That's a fact.
She need to see Dr. Bishop tomorrow. She need to see Dr. Bishop tomorrow. Cause what?
It triggered me.
What?
And I need to control my emotions.
What would it trigger you for? I don't want people seeing my eyes. Why did it trigger you? Tell me.
Because I was thinking about some things for the past few days.
What are you thinking?
I didn't want to tell you anything yet.
What? What you gonna tell me? What you gonna tell me? Tell me. Come on, what you gonna tell me? What are you gonna tell me? Come on. What are you gonna tell me? What? Tell me what you gonna tell me. Tell the people. You about to be pregnant? What? I'm about to be on some real pregnant shit, B. Like, yo, word up, B. Anybody that ever owed me money, did me wrong, I'm about to be on some real pregnant shit, B. I got you, nigga. I'm gonna have Baba G's baby, nigga. I'm about to be on some real pregnant shit, B. Straight up, B. For real, B. Anybody that owed me money, looked at me the wrong way. Come on, man. Good. No. But why you crying? I want to know. Why you crying? You smell like you ready. Pheromones.
Sorry.
What you didn't want to tell me?
I'm about to be 4 days late.
You 4 days late? About to be on some real pregnant shit, B. Oh, well, why you telling me you want to be with him then?
I thought I was
if you 4 days late, you supposed to be like...
About to be. I thought I was going to get my period. And that's why I just don't want to say nothing. Because the girls be thinking they pregnant and they just get their period. So I'd be like, maybe it's just like late. And I just get it. And I'm never late. So I just been like chilling. And it's not coming. And I don't want
you cried about that?
I'm sorry.
Damn,
because I don't want to start any problems with anybody, and I don't want to like leave if that's the problem, and I don't want to like start.
You gonna leave with my baby?
No.
You gonna leave with my baby?
No, I'm not.
Really?
No, I'm not gonna leave with your baby. It's just that like the whole situation like triggered me because I came and I thought I was gonna be with Solar, and then
your pattern.
And my pattern said that you switch everything around. So, like...
But my name is on your butt cheeks. You can't have sex with another man with my baby, with my name on your butt cheeks. Can you? You gotta be with me now. Mine. Look at them. Cueing the cameras. It's a real nigga moment. Malia pissed off. She just came on. Malia just got on her period. And we supposed to be pregnant. Pass me my phone. I'll leave and go to their room. They said Malia gonna die. How you feel about that, Malia? They said.
I have no comment for.
No comment for what?
I have no comment for the people. What do you?
How do you feel about being pregnant?
Then I'm in total agreement because that's what I'm here for.
What you say, baby?
I said that I'm in total agreement because that's what I'm here for.
What you say?
Why would I reject a child that's on the way that's for you? I mean, one day I will have a child as well. I'm going to make a union.
Malia ain't tripping, man. She want to have my focus enough. You 2 days late. When you supposed to be on your period?
3 days ago.
You want a boy or a girl? Boy or girl?
Boy.
You want, okay, then he said,
I've been feeling like it would be a boy.
a boy. They said Malia lying. I'll be mad as shit too, cause she been having more sex than me.
Of course I want to have your baby, but I mean, if it's not working, it's not working.
I didn't want to come out.
It ain't working because one reason. You know why it ain't working. They said Malia is very bothered right now. Come talk to people, Malia. Come sit on my lap.
I mean, I feel like, yeah, like I want to have your child, and
Don't say stupid
my
shit.
resistance has caused me for that not to happen. So yeah, I'm gonna be upset because I'm like, I want to have that too. Like any woman wants their.
But she gonna be upset though.
I'm not.
But I have sex with you a lot.
Thoughts from the chat. I'm telling you what I feel though.
I'm telling you what I feel though. Let me see. Hold on. It say.
Daisy.
It would be some real crazy shit that if a new woman come on and get pregnant before we do that. That would be some crazy shit.
I felt like I was preparing my womb for so long. It just came out of nowhere. He's all like in my pattern, like he switches on my plans. I'm just like, maybe it wasn't. And I didn't want to say nothing because I'm just like, everybody else gets late. Like Efuru just had 3 days late and she got on her period. So I was like, maybe I'm just like, I've just been trying like, yeah. Oh, and this happened.
No.
You're having an adult conversation, I hear, and I just was thinking that maybe he should call you.
But when I see you this weekend, we gonna have adult conversations. Me and you. The adult conversations we about to have.
No, he doesn't need to be in some of those adult conversations.
Okay, well I'm gonna call him back tonight then.
Okay, thank you.
All right,
Have a
baby.
good night.
Mwah. She jealous too. Maisha jealous too. She don't like me talking about no other baby. She don't like me talking with no other woman. She jealous too. Maisha want me to.
You know what this was about.
That's your elbow. Get up. Come here, Malia. I ain't gonna say it twice. I'm not. What I say? I'm not gonna say it twice. Bitch, when I tell you to do something, you do it now. That's why you ain't pregnant now. Because you don't know how to listen. Motherfucker, that's why you ain't pregnant now. Because you in resistance. Like today, right? When we were dancing. Was you not in resistance why you not pregnant? Tell the folk why you not pregnant. You want to be pregnant, don't you?
Because I've been in resistance the whole time. So,
In resistance to what?
To you.
But you here, though. You here with me.
Mm-hmm.
We having sex a lot, but you constantly and shit. You feel me? And that's create a problem. Talk to the people.
Yeah, I just have been in resistance to the mission and my journey sometimes. When I get triggered, I can feel like, you know, some type of way. And I can be in resistance.
Yeah, block anybody you want to block.
Say whatever they want.
Nah, block there. What I say? See what I'm saying? You see, I gave you instructions on what you do. You gave me your mind. See, that's the problem. A bitch can't be pregnant by me unless she have my mind. I'm gonna tell you some G shit right now. I tell her what to do, then she tell me what she gonna do. Like in this moment, I said block anybody you want to block. Now I ain't gonna block. You see? You got your own motherfucking mind. So when I put my comma in you, it's the same thing. You're not accepting what I tell you, and this is why you're not getting pregnant. So don't be mad if another motherfucker be pregnant and you
I'm
ain't
not
pregnant.
getting mad. I mean,
No, you just said you would be upset.
I didn't say I would be upset. I
You
would be
did
upset
say you
with
upset.
myself.
Hey, press one if you heard.